Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no Wi-Fi network from a menu on MacBook while you're trying to activate Mac. So as you can see I have it, but if you don't have it, what you need to do is press on this Apple icon right there, press shutdown. Now, sometimes for other people, it works the best when your MacBook is not connected to the power source. Just try it if your MacBook is connected to the power source and it still doesn't work, then try to unplug it from the power source and now it should work. What you need to do is press on the power button, and you can also hold shift on the left side and continue holding for startup options, as you can see, and now you can release when it says loading startup options. After that, you will see this options button. Press on it, press continue. Now you will have an option to select the language. Select it, press the arrow, and now you should see the Wi-Fi option right there. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.